Hey lovelies, so this is another airdrop update on Memefi. My mind will not calm down if I did not talk about this because I saw it yesterday on my Memefi dashboard while I was doing my airdrop tax, and the first question that I asked myself is I saw Memefi. Let me show you guys. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So all those there are adverts. I saw this on Memefi and I saw the countdown. It's now even less than 55 hours. I saw it on this dashboard, my dashboard, and I didn't want to talk about it because one question popped into my mind when I saw this. Look at this, guys. Memefi and Binance. The first question that came into my mind when I saw this countdown is, does Binance support linear chain? Does Binance support linear chain? Because I know that Binance does not support linear chain. So how come I'm seeing a Binance countdown here? Are they trying to say that they're going to list on Binance? Like okay, it's 2 days, 7 hours, 21 minutes. Are they trying to say indirectly that they are listing on Binance? Because look at this here, it's showing 2 days. It said Memefi and Binance campaign in huge prizes with trust, and it shows the countdown 2 days, 7 hours, 20 minutes. So stay tuned. So they're trying to say that they're listing on Binance. For me, this is my own honest opinion. I just feel that it's a marketing strategy. Well, maybe they are going to excuse me, maybe they're going to how should I put it? Yeah, they're going to, I don't know the right words to use. Maybe it's a marketing strategy, maybe it's not going to be a marketing strategy, but I know that Binance does not support linear exchange. And if you look at this place, if you click on this wallet here, guys, if you click on this wallet, here, you will see that this is Binance Memefi network wallet is a whole work, like this linear network. This their wallet is a whole work, like it's heavy. It's heavy. So how does Binance, how do they list on Binance when Binance does not support linear chain? How? That's a question that's popped into my mind the minute I saw it. Is it a marketing strategy or is it real? I am not saying Memefi is not going to cook. I'm not saying you should not go ahead and make your turn transaction if you want. Making turn transaction is a risk, 50-50. If you're a risk taker, please go ahead and make the turn transaction. If you're not a risk taker, then please don't. So that you don't come to my page and say, Sussy, you should have say we should make it on transaction. No, we made it now. Memefi was dust. Or you should have said we should not make it on transaction. We did not make it though. And Memefi cooks so well. Please. I'm not saying you should not make it on transaction. If you want to make it on transaction, please go ahead and make it. If you don't want to make it, please follow your mind. It's a 50-50. Airdrop is a 50-50. What I'm just saying is Memefi, Binance does not support linear chain, and so but Memefi here is showing a Binance countdown. I feel it is a marketing strategy, in my honest opinion. Don't forget that apart from all this crypto, whatever, I'm a bona fide businesswoman. So that is what came into my mind when I saw it. I'm not saying they're not going to cook well, they're going to cook well. Please remember to play your tax. Remember to play your tax, to do your tax rather. Let me say something, guys. For me personally, I just believe that to earn more in the crypto world, you just have to learn how to trade. Because if you look at it, all these crypto airdrop, I don't believe they can pay so much like when you learn how to trade and you maximize that opportunity in the crypto world. That is why I asked a question in my community post and I asked you guys to vote. Should I do a crypto 101 and walk you through the journey of trading on the crypto platform? If you are in support, just go to that community post and vote, because I'm moving by vote. If I don't get enough votes, I will not do that video. I won't go through that series. But if I get enough votes, trust me, I will do it. I will do it step by step, like baby step for beginners. So my question is, does Binance support linear chain? And if not, then why is Memefi showing a Binance countdown on their dashboard? Is it not a marketing strategy? That is my point. I am not saying Memefi is not going to cook, and I'm not saying it's going to cook, because airdrop project is only 50-50. So that is what I have to say to you guys. So please stay tuned for updates I'll be dropping as it comes. Thank you for watching. See you in the subsequent video. Bye for now.